it has gone, it has left a lasting impression, not just on the roads, but on the minds of millions of motorcycle lovers. See it as a sign of respect or regard or sheer awe. Royal Enfield, the birth of a legend. It wasn't built overnight. The legendary bullet manufacturing company started operations in the early 1950s as Enfield India Limited at the northern tip of Chennai, Tiruvallur. It was not just to produce another two-wheeler, but to start a phenomenal revolution that would storm the roads. Today, Royal Enfield, with prestigious certifications like ISO 9001 and ISO 14000, is part of the Eicher group of companies, making motorcycles for domestic as well as international markets like USA, UK, Germany and Japan. Royal Enfield has always been synonymous with quality and productivity. Leveraging on technology, using lean manufacturing practices, activities have been mapped for value addition. Royal Enfield employs high-speed machining centers like Makino for finishing operations of critical components. The new modular machining center fixtures enhance any model mix changes without wasting time. The result, a highly flexible manufacturing environment. The manual intervention like clamping and declamping in any of the machines has been replaced by low-cost clamping solutions across the machine shop for consistency and productivity. All the assemblies at Royal Enfield are on a single-piece floor line, driven by a powered slat conveyor, accommodating multi-modal and smooth flow of operations. All assembly stages are built on the basis of consistency, flexibility and less fatigue for the operators for higher output. To enhance the process efficiency in assembly in critical areas, oil pulse tools are being used. 3-coat, 1-bake acrylic painting system is employed. Electrostatic guns are deployed for better coverage and uniform thickness. Royal Enfield ensures 500 hours of salt spray resistance, which is the best in two-wheeler category. The unique feature of more chrome has become immensely popular among domestic customers and overseas buyers. The tri-nickel plating systems with ultra-high filters for nickel plating ensures spot-free plating of parts. The shop layout is highly flexible, streamlined, lean and geared up for the imminent future expansion. Royal Enfield has moved from the conventional storage system like central warehouse to the concept of decentralized internal logistics cell, mapping the complete process flow and placing a full-fledged material handling system all over the company has helped to avoid excess inventory over the various stages. At Royal Enfield, quality is not a byproduct. It's the most important aspect of production. The queue hold in various lines has reduced the defects per bike drastically. The self-certification by operators at the respective workstations has increased the ownership and the pride of the individual for a defect-free delivery to the next station. Royal Enfield has been pioneering Pokayoke in a big way. Over 150 Pokayokes have been implemented. The support for the Pokayoke is now extended to our vendors as well. This has resulted in the zero defect of parts at the customer end. Royal Enfield gives more emphasis on calibration systems for all fixtures and toolings for consistent output. All testings inside the factory are done from the customer perspective. Every vehicle that is produced goes through a roller dynamometer. goes through a road test in a beautiful scenic testing track for roadworthiness and brake efficiency. It is also supported by aggregate testing like engines, gearboxes and timing cover. Royal Enfield conducts a company-wide participation in the quality movement through Kaizens. Focus on Kaizen has resulted in the attitudinal shift from work to improve and work. The best Kaizen employee of the company gets recognition by the CEO and is rewarded on a continual basis, and the cumulative Kaizens have crossed the 25,000 mark. Work is worship, workplace a temple. Royal Enfield has been driving the housekeeping concept for the overall upkeep of the plant through 5S. This has given enough reasons for employees to celebrate working for Royal Enfield. TPM has been another initiative. Royal Enfield has reaped the benefits of TPM through overall equipment effectiveness at 81%. At Royal Enfield, all the employees join hands in the process as producer, inspector, and above all, as a customer to give a pleasurable, trouble-free bike. The TNS survey has rated Royal Enfield as the best customer satisfaction scorer in the cruiser line. Together, let us cruise ahead to win many more recognitions and rewards as we surge ahead with more revolutions on the road worldwide. Royal Enfield, not just a bike,